Hello student, welcome back to science class. As you all know, we are doing chapter 5 and yesterday we have discussed about sedimentation and decantation. And today we will learn about filtration and loading. So let's start with the filtration. Filtration method is used to separate insoluble particles from liquid. Insoluble means it does not dissolve in a liquid using filter. What is filter here? It is porous device. Porous means tiny holes or opening. Filtration allow the liquid to pass through but not the solid. The liquid that passes through the filter, that is called filtrate. Filtering device can be a cloth also, that is used to filter water, or it can be a special paper also that is used to filter liquid, especially in laboratories. Size of pores on a filter depend upon size of solid that is to be separated. For example, metal strainer is used to filter tea and it has large pores, whereas in air cooler fine plastic mesh is used. You know one thing? Duck. Duck also filter water and food particles with their beak. And whale also do filtering by its mouth only. So, to understand the concept of filtration in a better way, let's perform an activity. For this activity, take sand and water in beaker A and salt and water in beaker B. Now, after mixing both separately in different beaker, use filter paper to filter solution separately. Here filter paper is a piece of porous paper for filtering liquid. It is used in science lab to remove solid from liquid. So, after observing this, can you tell me answer of these questions that they have given in this activity? The first question is, which container has water soluble substance? Answer is B container, because in B container we have taken salt and water, and here salt is soluble in water. But in the case A, we have taken sand and water, and sand is not soluble in water. Now second question, in which case are you not able to separate what has been mixed? Answer is case B, because here as salt is soluble in water, so we can't separate salt from water by filtration process. Whereas in case A, sand can be separated from water using filtration process. After it, one more question they have given. Does filtration separate substances dissolve in water? The answer is no. Filtration can't separate substances dissolve in water. But it doesn't mean that we can't separate substance dissolve in water. We can separate substances dissolve in water, but with other processes like evaporation, distillation, and that process we will study further. Next topic is loading. It is a process in which we can separate suspended particles from a mixture. Suspended particles means which remain in suspension in water. So, in this process, alum is added to liquid. Alum. Alum, another name is fitkery. It has been used by barber also as an aftershave for centuries, and it is widely used for treating acne and pimple problem also. So, why we add alum in this liquid? To help the suspended particles of a liquid to form a sediment of solid. As we know, suspended particles are lighter They do not settle at the bottom. So, to make these suspended particles heavier and settle down, loading process is used. Because filtering such a mixture, if we will do filtering, then it take a long time. Because tiny insoluble particle, it will block the pores of a filtering device. Now, after this, to make it more clear, let's perform an activity. For this activity, first take handful of soil and mix it in half a bucket of water. Then take equal amount of this water in beaker A, beaker B, beaker C and beaker D. Now in beaker A, add half a tablespoon of salt. In second beaker, add alum. In the third beaker, add talcum powder. And in the fourth beaker, only soil and water we will take. Stir the powder content. Now, can you tell me, in which of the beaker do the soil particle settle at the bottom quickly? Answer is B beaker. You know why? It is just because of alum. Because alum will attach with soil particles suspended in the water. This makes soil particle heavy and it settle quickly at the bottom. Now next question. Which of the above substance can be used to clean muddy water out of salt, alum, talcum powder? So answer is what? Alum again. Because alum will attach with the soil particle suspended in the water and this makes soil particle settle down. Do you know a good example of loading process? Yes, rain is a good example of loading process. Raindrop load fine dust particle and bring it to the ground. In this way, rain clean the air. So student, for today this much only. Read the chapter till explained and try to make more in between question. Thank you.